Today's discussions is stability, a system of linear differential equations. So friends, I have already written this theory, and now I will discuss, because the stability is very important for CSIR Net gate views, and lot of university ask this kind of questions, friends. So friends, whatever you will see that x dash equal to nx. The critical point or equilibrium x0 y0 of the system of differential equation is a point where x dash equals to 0 and x dash equals to 0 and y dash equals to 0. So friends, classification of critical point. Classification of critical point, the eigenvalues of A, such as det A lambda minus 4I equals to 0. Such as that A lambda minus I equals to 0. So when distinct real eigenvalues, in case of distinct, when the eigenvalues, suppose lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, all are real, belongs to real value, then both have same sign. So friends, must remember this fact that both have same sign. The critical point is called node. Both have same sign. Friends, this is you must remember that the both have same sign. The critical point is called node. If both are negative, then the critical point is asymptotically stable node. The critical point is asymptotically stable node. So friends, I hope I can clear this concept. What is main fact? Main fact is negative. Then when you have to remember, because however we are so much intelligent, friends, but we need to remember some things. Otherwise we forget. If we are doing MSc, we are masters, but we are all are intelligent. But if you do not study, if you do not practice, you will forget. I also same fact also with me. I also forget. That's why I remember in scripts. Whatever you remember, everything is book. But I just give you lectures. Everything you can get from book. But I just tell whatever I want to tell. That critical point is called node. So value same sign. Sign is when eigenvalues sign is same. Then critical point is called node, and if both are negative, then critical point is asymptotically stable node. So friends, both are negative, then the critical value is asymptotically stable node. I hope friends you will write everything. Now I just remove these portions. I hope that you write, and now I remove this, and I also discuss that stable node. So friends, classification of stable nodes, you will see that if both are negative, so suppose second questions, if eigenvalues both are positive, both are positives. So friends, eigenvalue both are positives means critical point is unstable node. Must remember friends, when this is the called node, this is the node means when same sign. When same sign. In here same sign means both are positives. All are positives. So friends, it is node. And number C. Number 2. Both have opposite sign. Both have opposite sign. So both have opposite sign means must remember friends, when whatever we have learned when is node means sign is same sign. Same sign means node. But when the sign is positive, then it is unstable node, and when sign is negative, then it is stable node. So friends, both have opposite sign. So friends, if both have opposite signs, so friends, it is, whatever the conditions friends, it should be unstable. Unstable, and critical point is saddle point. Saddle point. The critical point is saddle point. I hope I can clear. The critical point is saddle point. The critical point is saddle point, and repeated real eigenvalues. So friends, whatever I have taught that equal, not equal, distinct real eigenvalues. Then whatever we see that it is the node when the both are same signs. Must remember friends, recall, when both are same sign, then it is whatever this then it is same sign, then it is node. And when it is the negative sign, then it is asymptotically stable and node, not proper node. Another factor, that when the eigenvalues is positives, eigenvalues are positives. When the eigenvalues are positives, then we say the critical point is unstable node. When equal distinct real eigenvalues and both are opposite, then it is the unstable and also saddle points. So friends, now you will see that two linearly independent means repeated case. Case is not distinct. Case is repeated. Then we see the two linearly independent eigenvectors. The critical point is called proper node, means start point. And if the eigenvalues are negative, then the critical point is asymptotically same phase. Eigenvalues are negative, asymptotically stable, but it is proper node, not node, proper node. And if the eigenvalues are positive, then the critical point is unstable, proper node. The critical point is unstable, proper node. So friends, I think that I can clear. And must remember, eigenvalues are positives and critical point. And must remember that eigenvalues are linearly independent. This is the cases of the two linearly independent. And if there is only one linearly independent values, second case, linearly independent, the critical is called improper node. Now friends, we are coming case 3, complex conjugate eigenvalue. If the real part of eigenvalues are zero, the critical point is called center. Means that in the case of complex conjugate, when real part of eigenvalues are zero, the critical point is called center and is stable but not asymptotically stable. It's stable but not asymptotically stable, friends. Must remember, this is not asymptotically stable. Why? When it is the real part is zero, friends. When real part is zero, then we can say whatever we can say. We can say when the real part are zero, then it is the asymptotically stable, but it is center. This point is called center. Now I will remove these portions. Yeah, I will remove. And next part. Next part is that the real part of eigenvalue are non-zero if the real part is non-zero, then it is spiral. Must remember, it is spiral. This point is called spiral point. This point is called spiral point when the real part is non-zero. The point is called spiral point. Must remember, friends. The point is called spiral point. Like this, there are node when improper node, when it is improper node, friends, you will see that only one linearly independent vector. Independent, other is not independent. But point is spiral point. The point is spiral point. And now, whatever you will see, that real part is, if real part, in case of real part is negative, in case of real part is negative, whatever you see, the real part is negative, then it is asymptotically spiral point. Then this is asymptotically spiral point, friends. Must remember, then this asymptotically real part is negative, then it is asymptotically spiral point. Asymptotically stable spiral point. And next is, if real part is positive, if real part is positive, then critical point is unstable spiral point. So friends, I hope I try to explain all the critical point. Now I will solve some problems. Unstable spiral point. I will solve some problem which is based on CSIR Net. Now friends, we are coming to discuss 2 points, two questions based on CSIR Net. So friends, according to this problem, we see that dx by dt, I hope you will see that dx by dt is equal to 2x minus 7y, and dy by dt is equal to 3x minus 8y, friends. Now it is a very simple question, friends. So friends, according to our theory, I say that x dash is equal to ax is my theory. So in here, a is equal to 2, 3 minus 7 minus 8. So friends, lambda I minus a, mod of lambda minus a is equal to, now I just remove this, I just write that what is the a. 2 minus lambda minus 7, 3 minus 8 minus lambda. This is my determinant form, friends. And now, according to the what is our the kind of this equation is trace of trace of A into lambda plus date A. So friends, this is the calculation is very simple. Now I just show the calculations. So friends, whatever you will see that lambda square of trace of A means trace of A but 2 minus 8 means this is 6 lambda. I hope this is the very clear. 2 minus 8 is equal to minus 6 plus 6 and date A is equal to 8 to the 16 minus 16 plus 21. So friends, whatever we see minus 16 plus 21 is equal to plus 5 is equal to 0 friends. Now lambda square plus 5 lambda plus 5 equals to 0. So whatever I give lambda is equal to minus 1 and minus 5 friends. So friends, whatever you see this value is negative. This value is negative friends. You will see this value is negative. So my answer is whatever I have taught in my class. When we see that both are distinct real numbers, when we see the both distinct real numbers, then it is the node, means this node and negative means asymptotically stable node. So friends, this is my first answer is correct. It is asymptotically stable nodes. So friends, I think that it is clear for everyone. I hope that everyone can understand. So my first option A is correct. Asymptotically stable spiral, option A is correct. Next option friends, next problem is very smart problem. This problem is very smart. That dx by dt we see and dy by dt. This problem also CSIR Net examinations. So friends, at first I write dx by dt equal to fxy is equal to x into 3 minus 2x minus 2y. So friends, we use Taylor's theorem. What is the Taylor's theorem? That the critical point is 0, 2. They ask the critical point 0, 2 they want to ask. So friends, 0, 2. So what is the I apply Taylor's theorem? Taylor's theorem, whatever the Taylor's theorem says. Taylor's theorem says that if 0, 2, this is the Taylor theorem applications, x into del f by del x, comma 0, 2 plus y into del f by del y into 0, 2 and up to higher term is higher term negligible. Higher term is negligible friends. Higher term is negligible. So friends, I hope that it is very clear for everyone. Fxy is equal to, so I am dx by dt, and now I will start to write fxy. F02 means if f02 is equal to 0, this value is 0. This value is 0. If you put the value of x, then it is the 0 value. And now after that, x plus del f by del x I write, and del f by del x is equal to 3 minus 4x minus 2y and 0, 2 plus y into whatever you see del f by del y is equal to this portion is 0 minus 2. And this is the 0, 2 is the values. So friends, 0, 2 is the value. So now I go to discuss that whatever it will become. I just remove this. I just remove this portion. If this portion is f x comma y and you see that this portion is equals to whatever it can be 0, 2 I just put, then it is the plus x, and when I put in here then it is 4, 3 minus 4 is equal to minus 1, and also I will put that del f by del y, del f by del y equal to in here 2x, del f by del y equal to plus 0. So friends, whatever we get this value equals to this value is equals to minus x. This value is equals to minus x. So friends, I remove this and I get whatever I get. I will write just this value fxy according to me. I just reduced this, and this value is equivalent to minus x. And now I will go gxy. What is the gxy value, friends? Gxy value is equal to y into 2 minus 2x minus y. And after that, the value is gxy. I can write this generalization to the linear. This is the linear generalizations. Linear generalizations. Whatever I am doing, generalization. This is the linear generalization. Gxy is equal to g 0, 2. 0, 2 g 0, 2 plus x into del g by del x plus y into del g by del y you can get, and everywhere the point is 0, 2 and the point is 0, 2. So friends, the formula is slightly wrong. It is the y minus 2 del g by del y into 0, 2. This is the y minus 2. So friends, del f by del x linearizations means functions can be like and as a Taylor's form. So friends, 0 and 0, 2 if I will put in here, so friends what I get? I will get, if I will put in here 0 and 2, 2, 0, this portion is 0, and this portion is x. Del g by del x. Del g by del x is according to the differentiations. So friends, whatever I will get, this portion is 1, and this is the minus 2y 0, 2 and plus y minus 2. I just remove this portion, and the value is minus x linearization, and I just write plus y minus 2, and del g by del y means when I will differentiate, then it will be 2 minus 2x minus 2y. Now friends, I just remove this portion, and now I remove this question, because these questions I also have done. So I remove this problem. Yeah. So whatever I will get gx, y y is equal to 0 plus x minus 2y in here. If I will put, then it is minus 4x. When I will put in here plus y minus 2 and after that I will put in here 0 and 2, then it is minus 2. It should be minus, it should be minus 2. So friends, whatever I get 4 minus 2y minus 4x. I get 4 okay, this is the gxy value, and fxy I get minus x. I remove this, the linear generalization. So friends, I hope that this is very clear. And now what can I do? I can write and my equation x dash is equal to ax plus b, and a stands for in here a equals to whatever you will see friends, a equals to minus 1, 0, minus 2, minus 4, xy plus minus 4, plus 4 into 1, not 1, this should be 0, representation this way, 4 into 0, 1. So friends, you see that it can be written in this way. Now the lambda value, lambda square minus 5 lambda plus 4 equal to 0. So lambda square plus 4 lambda plus lambda plus 4 equals to 0. So friends, I get lambda equal to minus 4 and minus 1. So my possibility is a stable node. My option A is correct friends. Thanks for watching.